Hello everyone, and my special namaskars to all my young brothers of Rakal Group. As a part of video presentation, I am presenting you a video on the importance of yoga and morals, how we can implement in our practical life. In this video, we will be discussing about the meaning of yoga and as well as the benefits of yoga and its history. The term yoga comes from a Sanskrit word meaning union. Yoga combines physical exercise, mental meditation, and breathing techniques to strengthen the muscles and relieve stress. Let us see the purpose of yoga. Yoga has been practiced for thousands of years as a life philosophy to join the individual self with what practitioners call divine, or the universal spirit, or the cosmic consciousness. The practice of yoga was started during the Indus Saraswati civilization in northern India over 5000 years ago, which means now we will be discussing about the history of yoga, how it has started and how it has implemented. It was first mentioned in Rig Veda, a collection of texts that consisting of ritual mantras and songs, the benefits of yoga. And the first benefit is yoga gives a better flexibility and posture. And the second one is yoga benefits in weight loss. And the third benefit is yoga is one of the best solution for stress relief. And the fourth one is yoga helps for inner peace. And the fifth benefit is yoga improves immunity. And the sixth is practice of yoga offers great awareness. And the seventh one is yoga improves even the discipline, the relationships what we maintain with our elders and with our friends and with our colleagues in schools or colleges. And the eighth one is yoga increases the energy, the internal energy in our body. And the ninth benefit is yoga gives us improving in maintaining ability and also a spontaneous realization in our body. And the 10th benefit is yoga helps you in all around fitness. And these all are the benefits of yoga. Concluding this video, let us practice yoga and let us listen all the teachings which was taught by great leaders and great sages of India. Let us make those all into thoughts and turning it into actions. Let us connect to environment. Environment will be teaching us great lessons. And also let us make the learning ability stronger to strengthen and to build up our character and caliber in a brighter way. I thank you all the members and all the students of Rakal Group, and I thank you all.